fifth grade violas, we're furthering along in our Sound Innovations book, and we're working on numbers 43 through 45, which is working on 16th notes. So just a reminder, eighth notes again are always connected by one beam or one connection apart, one line apart, and you count them 1 and 2, or in your music classes you count them T, 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 T. 16th notes, which we're working on now, has 2 lines connecting all the notes. So that means they're twice as fast as the 8th notes. So instead of 1 and 2 and, it's 1E and a 2E and a, or teary, 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 something like that, or tika, 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 that variation. So here we go. Let's try playing some of these 16th notes. Reminder, when you play 16th notes, use less bow because it's faster. So here we go, number 43. Oh, hang on. Soundtrack wasn't working. Here we go.
Learning to count 16th notes.
1, 2. Going on, adding that skill to some more notes now. Number 44.
16th notes again.
2, 1, 2. Great, and one more now, adding it to a song, number 45. Again, working on 16th notes and 8th notes and quarter notes.
Running long ago.
Hopefully you had fun playing those 16th notes. Just remember, use little bows when you play them. Happy practicing. Bye, violas.